My Account Overview. The My Account menu can be opened from any page within the system. The link can always be found in the upper right-hand corner of the banner. Let's take a brief look. This page has several tabs. The first tab, Account Details, shows all of your contact information, as well as your login information. The Planning tab has several submenus, including your set availability, current workload, and your company's time zone. The Notifications tab allows you to customize what events will trigger notifications and who receives those notifications within your company. The Language Preference tab also has several customizations. Here you can select your user interface language and your preferred formats for dates and times. The Company tab will open the My Company page, which we will learn more about later.